start.
Michael.
New Year's resolutions, take 4. Last I'm going to talk about this. Believe me, I'm Michael Lee, Agile Coach Universe, going to March, and thank you. It's a beautiful day, so please do subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel. Also, like this video, it does help the channel. We're talking about New Year's resolutions, link down below. Also talking about AI, productivity, and values. So last time before New Year starts, or it has already started when I'm posting it, how can you use AI to increase your productivity of New Year resolutions? Have you thought about that? Have you given some thoughts? So do comment down below. What are ways you could use artificial intelligence, LLM, ChatGPT, and others to think about, to criticize your New Year resolutions, to give you a push towards actually succeeding with them, because normally we don't. So how can AI help you, for example, analyze what you're planning to do in the next year for your resolution? Think about that. Have a happy new year. Please subscribe to the channel, help the channel, like this video. I'm Michael Lee, Agile Coach Universe, calling the Martians. Thank you.